No, I need some water, man. 3
This is
back-to-back
part 2.
verses on
You dig it? Yeah, it's on you, B.
What's your motivation?
Out the mist came 2 forces for 1 cause, applause. Real hip-hop said now. Peace to the supporters and the haters. It's like they said, let it bump. It's graphic time. You understand in line. We merge like E-waves on the path to the top. Collision of thought, the rain never ends. It feels superb, rocking it in the cities and suburbs. Catch me on the road globe. Put your hands up, Chicago. Brick trends, the key word is win. We dream team with the lyrics is lean. Head over the ring for the chance of the year. For the best fit, Samaj the ill is right here. Through the game, power steer. Manifesto did it scream, yeah. Roll this over, I'm on a beer. On the lake, under the sun. For now, I'm done. But what's some learn? What's the point in a hot dog without the bun? Yeah. Get up. Get up.
Everybody get down.
Get down. It's more than music, it's more than a movement. You know, now come on, now get up.
Everybody get down.
Get down.
Thanks for entering.
Collision and thought,
We grind hard for the release beyond your day-to-day. Me and Illy work hard just to pave the way with no pit stops on a greater destination. Mind elevation, man, we spring into action. Giving it all to the masses. 2 of the illest clashes, Mr. 4 deep and gutter habits. A lot of sounds got muffled and drowned. Solo from town to town, putting this hip-hop down. Rapping out our latest, decided to update us on the flight home from Vegas. A brief hiatus from the work that made us. Came a long way from smoking blunts, getting fucked up, freestyling in the cut. This is 16 years in the making, summed up in 5 weeks, considered groundbreaking. Started building collisions of visions and padded covers. This is to see hands reach for the ceiling. You get it? Now get up. Get up. Everybody get down.
Get down.
It's more than music, it's more than a movement.
You know, now come on, now get up.
Everybody get down.
Get down.
Thanks for entering.
Collision and thought,
It go.
we collide like white and dark liquor. Beat the deadline. Fuck getting signed, just doing it for the love. 5 lines and 4 spaces. Packing the pub, back to the essence. No school can teach this lesson. Just lead us, coming through the speakers. Put down the heaters, pick up the fists. Samaj been there and done that from all angles. Too many brand names in the game, that's enough.
Add 1 to the element, redhead evidence. Henny set the canvases. What other producer but Brown who can stone faces like Medusa? Mad flavor, intensity, and creative. This style's an indicator that we messing with the majors. Not to be taken light, up all night, getting the sound right. Restless, it's a blessing. You grace us with your blessings. A blessing, brother, you on your best end. Now get up.
Get up.
Everybody get down.
Get down.
It's more than music, it's more than a movement.
You know, now come on, now
Get up. Everybody get down.
Get down.
Thanks for entering.
Collision and thought, it go. Rap for Nation. Blue collar 1.5, baby.
That's what it's like.